All right. Now this right here says the roots of the equation 2x squared minus 5 is equal to 4x. The two roots are alpha and beta. Without first solving the equation, find alpha and beta. So without solving the equation, they want you to find what is alpha squared minus beta squared. So you should not solve the equation. Now we're not going to solve the equation. So look at this. Now what you have is 2x squared. Put it in its standard form, 2x squared minus 5x minus 5 minus 4x. So I'm going to write it as minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is in its standard form. When it's in its standard form, what do we know? We know that the sum of the roots, which is alpha plus beta, is minus b over a. So what we're saying is that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a, which is minus 4 minus b over a, and that 4 over 2 is 2. So that's alpha plus beta. What else do we know? We know that alpha beta, which is the product of the two roots, alpha beta is equal to c over a. And so that's negative 5 over 2 is alpha beta. Nice. Now what's now alpha squared minus beta squared? Alpha squared minus beta squared. Alpha squared minus beta squared. We want alpha squared minus beta squared. Now this is the formula for alpha squared minus beta squared. Alpha squared minus beta squared is equal to alpha plus beta. It's equal to alpha plus beta. It's equal to alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta. Now to find what is alpha minus beta, this is going to be a lot of work, but to find what is alpha minus beta, I know what is alpha minus beta all square. Because if I were to expand alpha minus beta all square, so I'm going to do it somewhere down here. Right, I'm going to do it in black right here. I'm going to call A alpha for now, just for simplicity in expanding. If I have alpha minus beta all square, I know that alpha minus beta all square is going to be alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus 2 alpha beta. Well, not plus, minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. So minus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. So now that I have what is alpha and I have what is beta, alpha square and beta square. Now look at this. If I were to take the square root of this, I get alpha minus beta. So now what I'm getting is that alpha plus beta is 2. So I'm getting 2 times alpha minus beta is just the square root of alpha square plus beta square. It's the square root of alpha square plus beta square. Whatever it's alpha square plus beta square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, which is minus 2 times minus 5 over 2. Alright, so now I need to find out what is alpha square plus beta square. That's minus 5 over 2. Now alpha square plus beta square, and I put it back in black right here. Alpha square plus beta square, if we were to find out what is alpha square plus beta square, it would just simply be carry over this alpha square plus beta square is alpha changes to plus And alpha plus beta square is just alpha plus beta all square minus alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. So that's alpha, that's how we get right here. So alpha plus beta all square, which would be alpha plus beta all square, which is 2 square minus 2 square minus 2 alpha beta. 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta is minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 times this. The negatives cancel, so that becomes negatives cancel. That becomes plus, so that becomes 2 square plus 2 square plus. Let me see now. 2 square cancel plus 5. So this final answer is working out to be 4, 9. That works out to be 9 minus, that works out to be negative 2 times negative 5 over 2. That's 5 plus 9. So the square root of 14 times 2, that's 2 root 14. So the final answer works out to be alpha square plus beta square is 2 root 14. 2 times the root of 14. Now what I'm going to do is verify that this answer is right. How do I verify that this answer is right? What you could do is solve this cubic equation, solve this quadratic equation for the roots. If you were to solve this quadratic equation for the roots, I'm going to do that. Let's solve this quadratic equation for the roots. Let's solve this quadratic equation for the roots. So solving that quadratic equation for the roots, going back to the question, as we can see, it is 2x squared minus 4x minus 5. So we're solving 2x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. When we solve for the two roots, what we're getting is 2 root 14 over 2 and 2 minus root 14 over 2. So if we were to square them, all right, if we were to square them, what you'd notice is you'd get 2.87 square minus 0.8708 square. You're going to get 7.47. Now what's 2 root 14? Yes, we are absolutely right. So this answer that we've got is absolutely right. So this is our answer.